Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Struggling to keep track of deadlines, projects, and team tasks? So you're not alone. Many people turn to Excel as a solution, but is it really the best tool for the job? In this video, we'll dive into the world of project management and explore why Asana might be a better fit for your needs. Imagine you're a project manager leading a team of 10 people. You've got a complex project with multiple phases, deadlines, and dependencies. How do you keep everyone on track, ensure tasks are completed on time, and maintain visibility into the project's progress? Excel might seem like a natural choice, but let's explore some of its limitations. Limitation 1. Lack of collaboration features. Excel is primarily a spreadsheet tool, not a dedicated project management software. While you can create lists and assign tasks, it lacks the robust collaboration features that are essential for modern project management. Asana, on the other hand, offers features like real-time commenting, task assignments, and notifications, making it easy for teams to work together effectively. Limitation 2. Difficulty in managing dependencies. When dealing with complex projects, it's crucial to understand how tasks are interconnected. Excel can become cumbersome when trying to visualize dependencies and track their impact on the project timeline. Asana, with its Kanban boards and Gantt charts, provides a clear visual representation of dependencies and helps you identify potential bottlenecks. Limitation 3. Limited reporting capabilities. While Excel offers basic reporting features, they may not be sufficient for in-depth project analysis. Asana provides a variety of reporting tools, including custom reports, burn-down charts, and workload analysis, allowing you to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Why choose Asana? Now that we've explored some of the limitations of Excel, let's delve into why Asana might be a better choice for your project management needs. Intuitive interface. Asana's user-friendly interface makes it easy to learn and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Robust collaboration features. Asana's real-time commenting, task assignments, and notifications ensure that everyone is on the same page and can work together effectively. Powerful project management tools. From Kanban boards and Gantt charts to custom fields and workflows, Asana provides the tools you need to manage complex projects efficiently. Integration with other tools. Asana integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Zoom, making it easy to manage your workflow from a single platform. Scalability. Whether you're managing a small team or a large enterprise, Asana can scale to meet your needs. Real-world example. Let's consider a marketing team that needs to launch a new product. Using Excel, they might struggle to keep track of deadlines, assign tasks, and track progress. With Asana, they can create a project board, assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and track progress in real time. They can also use Asana's reporting features to analyze campaign performance and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, while Excel might seem like a familiar tool for project management, its limitations can make it difficult to manage complex projects effectively. Asana, on the other hand, offers a robust set of features that can help you streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and achieve your project goals. If you're tired of struggling with Excel for project management, give Asana a try. You can sign up for a free trial and start experiencing the benefits of a powerful and intuitive project management tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.